before my Super Genius alignment session, ganito ako before. Oh my God, ang dami kong gagawin. Ba't kasi tanggap ka ng tanggap? Alam mo namang mag-isa ka lang. Kaya ba today? Ayun, so ganun ako before, araw-araw. Kasi that time, I realized that I was operating from a scarcity mindset. Kasi I have this fear na takot mawala ng source of income. Even though mag-isa lang ako, ayun, tanggap pa rin ako ng tanggap. Dahil doon, mas nape-pressure ako. Kaya magdamag akong nasa harap ng computer, ganun. Magdamag akong tatrabaho. Madalas akong ma-burn out because I have been accepting projects way more than I can handle. I feel all over the place. I feel overstimulated all the time. From there, I knew that something has to change kasi I don't want to live like this every day. What's the point of working kung ang end result naman is pagod na pagod ka or may sakit ka. That time din kasi parang nadadalas na yung check-up ko, naapektuhan na nga yung health ko. And so, parang I had to be real with myself. I told myself na, okay, Iya, you should only handle one project at a time, okay? Focus on one client at a time. It's okay. But with that, we have to learn how to charge higher rates so that I still get to earn while working less. And that time, parang question mark pa yung ano ko kasi parang, how can I charge more? That time, I knew that something has to change, including yung mindset ko, yung habits ko, yung lifestyle ko. I can't do this alone then. So, I have to find someone that I believe can help me get to my goals. Naniniwala ko na para ma-reach ko yung goal ko, it has to start with making the most of what you have right now. And since I am a service provider, I wanted to make the most of my expertise, my skills, my knowledge. It has a lot to do with brain power. Napapansin ko yung posts ni Coach Chris about Super Genius alignment. And from there, parang nakita ko, okay, I think ito yung sagot. I think this is what I need. Kasi parang sakto siya sa pinagdadaanan ko. In-approach ko si Coach Chris. So that was me before the super alignment session. Ayun, so nung nag one-on-one kami ni Coach Chris, parang pinakita niya sa akin how my brain works, how my brain functions when trying to learn something new, when trying to make decisions. Alam mo yun, while I was reading the whole brain profile, parang I already had an idea about my strengths. But, ang kulang kasi sa akin is yung confidence. Habang binabasa ko yon, parang it made total sense why I am the way I am. Mas naging clear sa akin na, okay, so this is how my brain really thinks. And so parang naka-idea din ako how I can position myself better, how I can deliver more successfully. Parang mas naging confident din ako na ito yung kaya kong ibigay na result for my clients so that even when I charge higher, I know na I can deliver because of the strengths dahil sa gifts na ipinagkaloob sa akin ni Lord. Parang I'm confident na ito talaga, na this is what I can bring to the table and this is what I can help you with. And I'm optimistic na together we can reach your goals. Ayun, so ever since I have the brain profile, natulungan niya ako ma-lessen yung time ko sa pag-iisip, lalo na sa pag-structure ng mga offers. So it has really lessened my time overthinking because as someone na madaling ma-overwhelm sa dami ng choices, ang dami ko kasing gustong gawin. So as someone na multi-passionate, nalilesen yung time ko sa pag-iisip. Kasi I get to focus on kung ano talaga yung babagay sa skill set ko, sa strengths ko, sa brain power ko, ganun. And so, ang laking help niya. And to be honest, dahil nakagawa ako ng offers na really aligns with my brain profile, parang naisip ko na nga parang sa sobrang aligned niya, bakit parang ang dali? Ganun naman yung feeling ko ngayon. Kung dati parang nahihirapan ako, kasi, dinadoubt ko yung sarili ko. I'm not sure if kaya ko ba talaga i-deliver. Parang ngayon, I feel confident with what I can deliver, with what I can bring to the table. Parang bago sa akin yung feeling na yun, which is a good thing, I guess. I'm really grateful. I feel happy. Kasi parang nagkaroon ako ng clarity. And ang sarap pala sa feeling ng ganun. Kasi parang I feel like, okay, so this is how my brain thinks. So this is what I'm going to do. I know how to approach things. Ang ganda, magagamit ko siya, yung guide na yon for a lifetime. All I can say is, pagdating sa decision making, as in, sobrang nakahelp siya sa akin. And grabe, yung confidence na meron ako ngayon, compared sa before I had my super genius alignment session. Grabe, as in from here, parang tumaas talaga yung confidence ko, ganon. I feel aligned with my offers, with my niche. And yeah, I'm really excited to move forward with my branding and with my business. So it helped me to become intentional then, because now I get to filter, is this actually good for me? Does this align with my strengths, with my brain power? Mas naging aware din ako sa boundaries ko, when I should say no. Malaking tulong siya. I'm really happy with my investment with Coach Chris sa Super Genius Alignment. And thank you so much, Coach Chris.